Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Me and Sultan just got done putting up the first day of Christmas decor, but now we're going to like take a shower and get ready to do a little girls' night.
When it's actually, when it turns 24, oh, you're filming?
Yeah. You can say whatever you were gonna say.
What were you gonna say?
Why are you shy? Anyways, I'm about to make something to eat really quick for both of us, like a sandwich or something, because we're starving. Then we're gonna go take a shower.
Wait, are you gonna make 2 packs of noodles or what?
I'm not making the noodles right now. No,
I
wanna make something quick so I can eat it and then have the energy to even take a shower and take my makeup off. Like, I am tired right now. I'm so looking forward to, oh, we got some wearable blankets. The other night I was watching a TikTok of a woman and she had this like hood, big blanket looking thing on, but it looked like a robe. And I'm like, what is that? So I go in the comments and someone asked, of course, and they said it was on Amazon. So I go on Amazon and I saw it and I'm like, do I really need another robe? The next day, a company reached out to me and was like, do you want to try these? And I was like, sure, can you send me 2 for one of my kids? And then they were like, yeah. So we're excited to open those up. We're gonna couch rot. Usually me and Ruby do that, but me and the girl, we started watching Squid Game again. We're rewatching season 1 of Squid Game.
I think we're on the last episode.
I
think we're on the last episode.
We're on the last episode? No, we're not. We're on episode 6. How many episodes are there? Like 8?
No, I thought we were on episode 8 because you're 17 minutes in and the rest of it is like 40 minutes left.
I don't know, but the episodes are all an hour long, so we watched a bunch of it yesterday.
Actually, there might be like 1 more episode left. Like we can watch that one and there's 2 episodes left.
Okay, well, this season, I thought it was the second season of Squid Game, like actual Squid Game, but then it turned out to just be a reality show, and that just prompted me to want to watch the old season, because we turned it on for a little bit, and I was like, why isn't this in Korean, and who are these people? So we turned that off, and we're like, hey, let's just rewatch season 1 of Squid Game, so that's what we're going to be doing.
That happened, so...
I was supposed to make my pineapple ginger thing today, actually yesterday, but I'm going to have to do that tomorrow. I do not want to stand anymore for tonight. Like the only standing I want to do for the rest of the night is in the shower. Other than that, I want to sit down. I've been going all day. We've both been going all day. Okay, so I'm going to make us a sandwich really quick before we take a shower, and I'm just sitting here repeating myself. I'm tired.
How am I gonna take?
So we're done eating now. We're gonna open up the wearable blankets and I'm gonna wash them first. So while we're in the shower, we'll be washing them. And I have my robe on because I'm already cold. I cannot wait to try this, you guys. You guys know I love this robe.
Yeah.
It's falling apart, but.
And Mom, it's literally super cold inside of our house, so you can just walk around in these all day.
Right, it is really cold in here. It's cold outside,
oh, wait,
too.
that was fine.
It got cold last night. Whoa, this is heavy.
Yeah.
Ooh, and I got leopard print. Y'all know this is like my fave print ever. Oh my gosh, look at how big this is.
That's gonna be big for me. Oh my god, it's so heavy.
It is heavy. So it's weighted, it's fleece.
It smells like rubber.
It has a weird smell. It's fleece on the inside.
Wow. Let's see.
Is it all throughout? It's fleece all throughout. Oh my gosh.
Right now,
this is gonna feel, yeah, we're gonna wash it first. This is gonna feel so good and it's gonna be warm. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited about this. I already have so many robes, but I don't have something like this. And I have tons of leopard print. I have like leopard everything. It goes way back to my childhood. In middle school, my entire room was leopard, and now I incorporate it any way that I really can, like my slippers that I'm wearing right now, socks. I have like a duffel bag. Yes, of course.
Looks so good.
It actually really does. Okay,
yes, look,
we're gonna throw these on a quick wash and then go and do our thing and come back. is so comfy.
Look at it over my
heavy.
hands.
It's an adult size. They have kid sizes also, but they were out of stock, so I just got another adult size. Originally for Ruby, but Ruby's not here. So I'll go back and get another one for Sultan. This is so cute. I just got done filming day 3 of my Christmas video. Now I'm going to take a shower and then chill outside of the patio with the girls and have hot cocoa. While I was in here, I was realizing I haven't done a pamper routine or like a self-care routine in a while. I think I'm gonna do a winter self-care routine for you guys soon. But yeah, most of my day just consisted of filming, and now I'm going to relax. I was just about to edit this vlog and realized it was only like 7 minutes long, so I still have the questions from that Q&A I did on my Instagram a while ago, so I'm going to answer like 4 or 5 of those questions for the end of the vlog. Let me pull it up. I'm actually about to film day 3 of the cleaning video that's going to go live tomorrow. It's only supposed to be a 2-day video, but then I had to get the kids ready for school the next day, so I just stopped where I was at and did that and then picked it up today. Yeah, I'm in shorts and a tank top again. It was cold in Florida for like 2 days and then it went back to being hot, so I'm in summer clothing once again. So the first question is, jewelry details please, so simple and elegant. Thank you. My rings are from Bulgari. I bought this one, Bulgari? Girl, you know what I mean. It's like BVLGARI. I bought this ring when I conquered my fear of flying. I was scared of flying for 18 years, and because of some turbulence that happened when I was a teenager, so I didn't fly until 2 years ago. And after I conquered that huge fear of mine, I bought myself this ring, and I didn't want to just have one ring, so I went ahead and bought this one too. Ooh. I'm silent. Why do your kids' dad not pay child support? It's giving pick me. Pick me. How old are you? Going to collab with any other YouTubers again? I don't think so. The only person that I would be open to collaborating with is my only friend on YouTube, which is Candace. You guys know Candace. So we might collab again in the future, but other than that, I don't really see myself collaborating with anyone else. I don't have like that many YouTube friends. When I first started YouTube, I thought like, oh my gosh, everyone's friends, but it is not like that. Very much high school vibes, and not to put anybody else down, but I just haven't made any friends besides Candace, and we've been friends since like we started our channel, so that's pretty much it. Who is your favorite artist? My current favorite artist, it's a tie between Moneybagg and Glorilla. I like them both so much. I know all of Glorilla's songs like word for word. Moneybagg's too, sometimes I don't understand what he's saying. But I just mumble over those parts. Those two are definitely my top 2. For my Spotify rap, it was Moneybagg, Bang Glow. So then Ice Spice. Y'all, how did Drake make it onto my 2023 rap? I was like, what is Drake doing there? He was in a lot of the features that I listened to. I just don't understand how Drake made it on the list, but not 21 Savage. That threw me off, but I'm not a huge Drake fan, and his last album, in my opinion, was... Anyway, I'll answer one more because I need to start filming. And then I gotta pick up the kids from school. Anime recommendations for kids and adults. I watch a lot of dark anime, and so do the kids. And people think that my kids put me onto anime when It's the opposite. I put my kids on anime. I used to watch anime in high school. I was introduced to manga in the 10th grade, I think. And from there, I just fell in love with anime. Well, manga and then anime. I watched a lot throughout high school. No one ever knew. Anime was like so taboo and kind of still is. People look at you weird if you tell them you like anime, but I'm over that. It took me a while to come out about it on my channel, but now I don't care. And my kids love it. We started with Sailor Moon. I feel like that's a really gentle anime to start with. But we went from Sailor Moon to Death Note and then Demon Slayer and then Full Metal Alchemist. It's just like a lot of dark anime. Currently I'm watching Jujutsu Kaisen and Tokyo Revengers. A new episode actually comes out today. I'm excited for that. I feel like Sultan will be a good one to ask about anime recommendations for kids. She likes a little soft, gentle animes, but she also really enjoys the dark anime too. Actually, I just started watching Chainsaw Man. I'm only on episode 4, but it's so good so far. If I could give one recommendation, I would say Sailor Moon. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. I was about to end it how I do my cleaning videos. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.